Hello everyone, I am back and this will be a quick one. I look like I'm shining a little bit here. So this topic is going to be about Brianna Johnson and some of the red flags that this wonderful, beautiful young lady at the age of 28 should have paid attention to. This young lady was murdered by her dusty boyfriend. So let me just tell you, her boyfriend was a dusty. He was also a narcissist. This was awful. Dust Bucket also killed the dog. The damn Dusty also killed the dog. The way the man looks at you, or the woman looks at you, that's a red flag. Watch their non-verbals, especially their eyes. It appeared that his eyes were evil, meaning soulless. They looked as if he were cold. His eyes were cold. You've seen some of those horror movies like Freddy Krueger, Jason, The Exorcist. Is it Exorcist? I don't know. Exorcist, that the girl. And all those evil movies. Is it The Exorcist? Wait a minute. Exorcist? Oh, I'm having a bad brain freeze. Okay, so you have to pay attention to their eyes. Their eyes will be cold. And who kills the dog? Well, he probably murdered the dog because the dog was nibbling at his ankles while he was choking Brianna. And it pissed this dust bucket off. So he turned around and he murdered the dog because the dog was preventing him from focusing on taking the life, choking the death out of Brianna. The second red flag is he thought he was the prize. So, for example, at her birthday party and at the grocery store, his body language demonstrated he thought he looked too good to be with her. Just pay attention. Go and watch the videos. Go to Brianna's, I think they should still be up, I'm not sure. But you could see how distant he was. He thought he looked too good for her. Yes, he did. Broke as a joke, dusty as the dust that comes off of the haunted house, Dust Bucket still thought he was the prize. Not a pot to piss in and a dime to give, but he thought he was the prize based on what he looked like. Yes, he was buff. He was lighter complected. So he was a light-skinned black man with the pretty eyes. I couldn't tell what his hair looked like, but he probably had a nice texture of hair. Well built. And Brianna, I looked at her most recent videos. You could tell that she did lose quite a bit of weight, but she was more on the plus size. And so we need to be aware of people that feel that they are the prize. Hello? We can go on and on and on about this, but I'm going to keep moving. What I must tell you all is both women and men must be cautious of their mates. Their nonverbals, as well as their verbals, will show indications of narcissisticness, I think I'm the prize, soullessness, and plain old crazy. All right, so I'm going to talk about my look today. We are having a like early Christmas, what are we going to luncheon at work. And of course, I'm wearing black and white because I just felt like putting on black and white today. So I'm wearing this nice necklace set. So the matching earrings and the matching necklace. Yes, black and silver. This is paparazzi costume jewelry, lead and nickel free, and it's only $5. I am wearing like this bling bling costume jewelry ring. Okay, and it's got like the bling blings in it, and you'll see why in a minute. Silver and black to match both this silver and black necklace set. Okay, so let's talk about my blazer. Now I'm going to stand up and show you guys the complete outfit. Okay, hopefully you can see me. I'm going to just move this chair out of the way. Oops, I think my hair may have gotten caught. Now I'm going to pin this hair up, so disregard that. But I am wearing this nice decorative, it's a beaded top. And do you see it's got the bling bling in it? And it's black, white, and sparkles, which is known as silver. I am wearing these beautiful, nice black leather pants. I am wearing this one-of-a-kind, kind of reminds me like I'm in the 80s. Yeah, I've been feeling quite 80s in the last couple of days because I watched the movie, what's that group? Oh, God, I can't think. It'll come to me. And then I'm wearing my black and white polo shoes, if you guys can see. So I'm styling today. I'm feeling a little bit like Ron DMC. Remember Ron DMC? For those of you that may not ever heard of Ron DMC, have never heard of him, it was a rap group back in the day. And yeah, Russell Simmons and is the Russell Simmons. He is the brother of Ron. So some of you may have heard of Ron's House. But anywho's, this is what I'm wearing. I'm rocking this black and white today, baby. I'm feeling like a little like Michael Jackson. Feeling like, you know, got some shoulder pads in there. And in the 80s, everybody wore blazers with shoulder pads. So let me tell you about this makeup look today. All right. Now, let me tell you guys, I am wearing the Gingerbread palette by Too Faced. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I did with this palette. I didn't just put this eyeshadow palette on my eyes. Oh, no. I did quite a bit. So the colors that I actually used were this color. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one. I'll post. And this, you know what? That light is really shiny. Okay, so this color, this color, this color, and this color. Am I saying it right? And this color right here. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, in this one. Okay. All right, so here's what I did. Eyeshadows went up here. Then I used those colors for my jaws right here. So both of my jaws. Okay, as blush. And right here down the nose. Yes, I did. There you have it. I hope I have this. Okay, so let me tell you guys the colors. Fudgy pudding. No, oops, nope, scratch that. Reindeer paws. You guys know. Lucky at my cookie. Looky at, no, hold on. I know you guys are getting tired of me. Okay, so reindeer paws. Spice is nice. spiked eggnog, no, powdered sugar, Spice is Nice, reindeer paws, hot toddy. Those are the colors I used. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got it right. How about that? So never give up. Never ever give up. Watch who you come in contact with pertaining to dating, any relationship. Know that you can use eyeshadow palettes and for multiple tasks. What else? Fashion. And I got to get out of here, you guys, because I'm going to be late. I really wanted to do more videos, but I'll come back and love you all. Remember, throw a little glitter, a little bling. I want everyone to go out and wear some black and white and some bling today or sometime this week. Post your comments, like, share, subscribe. What else? Hit that notification button. And make sure you check me out on my other social media avenues. They are listed. And don't forget, bling bling, jewels, $5, some holidays sales where you can get quite a bit for $8. Yes, hit me up. Love you all. If not, still watch me and get that fashion together. Love you all. Now I need to pin this hair up. Do what I do. Check me out. Can't see me? Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.